I can't. Welcome to MTV Cribs, nigga. Hey, I don't even want this well in the trunk, nigga. No doubt.
I've been cutting ties with niggas crossing. I just kept it real. I was taught to go out, fade my problems, I've been made it still. Never let the folks that's always talking point your fade by will.
Alright, y'all, so look, right now, I'm currently leaving the spot. I'm finna go pull up on that boy car, man. That boy got a new spot, man. Finna see how he coming, man. We finna see, I ain't gonna lie. We finna see he gonna have it on vibe, he gonna have it on woes at the spot or not. I'm proud of you, my boy, but I'm sorry, I gotta leak, bro, cause I post every day now. I'm sorry, bro. It's like, you gotta come on, gang. You gotta pop it, bro, cause you playing, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm forcing myself to start posting literally every day, and if I miss a day, like, I gotta double up, Lola. I gotta come with something, like, you feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, basically, I'm finna go pull up on him, man. Finna congratulate my boy, cause, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I like when everybody got down, start leveling up around me, bro. Start doing what they supposed to be doing, like, getting on they shit, bro. Like, life be feeling good, bro. Like, now, ain't gonna lie, no more Mondoos for me, no more Mondoos for a car. We got different spots we at now, like, we can go pop it wherever. Feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, hold on, let me give y'all boys a quick little pull on the 300. No cap, that bitch sound too good. I brought my shit. I'm finna use this nigga microwave, no cap. You know what I mean? Heat up me a little hot pocket, motherfucker. Look at the 300, 300 don't look so good, like, it be look so good. No cap. Whew. You gotta turn your head, look at that motherfucker when you walking, bro. You can just, whew. Only if y'all can see it, but y'all can't, man. I can't show y'all right now. Oh, this is the wrong one. Is it that one over there? I'm tweaking. Oh God. Nigga walk past this shit. That nigga walk right past this shit.
Welcome to MTV. I can't. Welcome to MTV Cribs, nigga.
No doubt. Nigga finna be snapping there. Infinity stones on infinity. No cap. Nigga Kurt in the closet? Oh fuck? Nigga tweaking. You heard the 300, man? Yeah, he heard it. No cap. Nah, he already overdoing me, bro. He shitting, bro. I gotta step my game up, Kurt. I ain't even got my TVs on go yet. No cap.
Get that shit up off the floor, man.
Hey, that bitch ain't even on the floor. It's on the damn chair, nigga. I'm a real hood, nigga, man. I'm telling you. Them bitches, them infinity stones, them bitches get hit regardless, nigga.
Man. Movie night, hey, I got that sound bar, nigga. I'm gonna put the surround sound in front of the bed.
You gotta get the subwoofer with the surround sound. Where is that? Nigga, that bitch gonna be boo. Dun, 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 dun. Nigga tweaking. Oh, he finna be spitting. That nigga hell. Hey, this bitch hard though. What the fuck? I already know you finna go TV right there. I already know.
Oh God, look.
Oh yeah, oh God, you got this Vizio, right?
Yep.
Oh God. We got the same shit. That Vizio be busting. Nigga Kurt, this nigga snap. Nigga, what?
No, we go 2 subs on him. I call these my little 2 6-inches, make them 12. Knock him in the head time out.
Nigga Kurt, this bad tripping. What a first Infinity Stone coming at, bro? Like, who she gonna be, bro?
Somebody I can chase.
Nigga, it's Valentine's Day tonight, bro.
Nigga, I told you, I ain't been to sleep. I got off work at 4 a.m. I've been up since then.
Nigga, I've been up.
6 to 4 yesterday.
Yeah.
I've been up since 4 a.m., bro.
Yeah.
I'm not even tired right now.
When I tell you, bro, I've been up damn near 2 days, bro. Thugging. I was in the studio all night. I was doing it all, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Tell you, bro. The whip is next, bro.
No cap. They gonna come get the other one?
What the fuck's gonna happen to it, bro?
Big Kurt doing Big Kurt moves.
All day.
Nigga fried, bro. God, snap though, they be hard. What the hell J Dub at? He said he's bad for the house subwoofer under it, bro. You tripping.
Call of Duty don't feel
Nigga gonna be smacking cheeks, bro. Boom, boom.
That was gonna be like, my Gucci's not crazy.
She said my legs keep shaking. Don't blew the speaker.
Knock it, boy.
Walking, dude.
Let me use the microwave. Want one to hold, bro? One in there, bitch. Corey, want out, bro? I'm definitely for me. Yeah, that bitch in the bag. I told niggas, bro. I literally told the vlog. I said, bro, I'm about to go in this bed and I'm finna use this nigga microwave. I need some tissue. Not tissue, but a napkin. Damn. I didn't think about this part. Now we what? You see me pulling up Chrysler 300 and you see that back door open. Hey, you already know what's going on.
Nigga be golden. No cap.
Oh, this nigga trying to have her in different spots, bruh. Freaky ass pillow, bro. This nigga sleep with a damn hot dog. Bro, this nigga tweaking, bro.
Bro. You gotta set
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
You gotta set that motherfucker up, right?
Wait. This nigga just put out a sausage.
I'm giving y'all a nigga free game, bro.
How do a female be in a full-blown relationship, bro, with a nigga? Be in your close friends. They're in your close friends, bro. And they on your dick like heart and everything. Giving heart eyes, all type of shit. And then post a nigga on Valentine's Day. Kurt, how you would feel if your girl was on some shit like that?
That's crazy work. Goddamn. I wouldn't even touch her back.
Damn, bro. Kurt, you would be mad your girl do you like that?
Sick. I'm not gonna lie, sick.
Hey, no cap, we don't know if our girl's doing that though. Cause hey man, if it happens, it happens. Once I go finish the back, that shit gonna be 10 times harder. One God.
Nah.
I'm just mad my grill flew off.
Yeah, once you get the grill on there and put the logo on that bitch.
Nigga already had it on there. The grill flew off. Nigga, I was racing in the city, bro. One God.
Damn.
Nigga, I had that bitch. I was floating. Whoa, whoa. Next thing you know, that bitch just. Pew.
That bitch flew off.
That bitch flew off, man. But this bitch OD hard. It look like a nose, don't it? No cap.